Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope you all are healthy and safe. So today I'm here to show you guys this look which I created specially for Eid and it turned out so beautiful. I loved it. Hope you will like it too. First of all, I want to wish you those who are celebrating Eid this year. Hope you have a best time. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'll start with the face first, and for the primer I'm using pore minimizing primer from Smashbox. For color correcting I'm using today orange corrector from LA Girl. For the foundation I'm using today Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Toffee. Now I'm blending everything with this foundation brush. To highlight the high points of my face, I'm using this concealer from NARS. It's NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Now I will blend everything with this concealer brush. This brush is from Real Technique. To contour my face, I'm using this foundation stick from Makeup Forever. Now I'll set everything with the powder, and for the powder I'm using Huda Beauty Banana Bread. To set the contoured areas of my face, I'm using this Bahama Mama contoured powder from the Balm Cosmetics. Now I'll do rest of my face once I'm done with the eyes. And to start with the eyes, first I'll use primer, which is Laying Low from MAC. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to use this single palette for the whole look. First, I'm going to use this shade called Senna. Now I'm going to use this shade called Burnt Orange above my previous color. Now I'm going to use this darkest brown shade called Cypress Umber on my crease. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and for that I'm using the same concealer which I used to highlight my face. As you all can see, I have cut the full crease, and now I'm going to use this bronze shade on all over my lids. Now I'm going to use these golden glitters. This is from Lit Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this in the center of my eyes. For the liner, I'm going to use this liner from Kat Von D, and it's their tattoo liner. I'm going to give myself a very thick liner. Now I'm going to use this black kajal from MAC on my waterline, and this is MAC's Technocol Kajal. Below my kajal, I'm going to use the same dark brown color. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use today this Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. Now I'm going to blend everything out with this spoolie. I'm using this curler to curl my lashes, and after that I will apply mascara. For the mascara, I'm going to use this mascara from Bobbi Brown. Now it's a lashes time, and today I'm going to use this little heavy lashes. Can you see? I'm going to use this and apply it on my eyes. I've applied the lashes off the camera and it's looking amazing. I'm done with the eyes, and now coming back to face, I'm going to use this blusher from Wet n Wild. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty, and I'll apply this shade called Maldives. I'm going to use little over the board because the festival is like that and we need to dazzle. Little bit on the cupid's bow and on the chin, and lastly on the nose. And I'm going to use the same highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this nude shade from Gerard Cosmetics. And it's done. And I love this look. I'll wear my jewelry off the camera and will show you guys the complete look. Yeah, so this is the complete look with the jewelry and the open hair, and I loved it. I really loved it. I wanted to do something extraordinary today, and that's why I did this look. So let me know in the comment section that you like this look or not, and what you want to see in my next video. Give me some suggestions. I'm open for everything. And happy Eid in advance for those who are celebrating. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.